there is the Get Inspired area where you can click on some of these mini videos, tutorial type of things, and get inspired, okay, so that you get an idea of what you're supposed to do, which I think you're supposed to originally have an idea for your video concept, but if you don't, okay, well, here you go, get inspired. Disclaimer, I'm not being paid by this brand. I'm a fan and want to give them their props on an awesome app that adds so much value for #free. It's especially needed now during all that's happening. We, the regular people, we appreciate you. Thank you. Family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emanuel and I am back today with another how-to video. Now this is basically a brush up on PowerDirector because they did some upgrades, y'all. Alright, so this is an update to PowerDirector's new upgrade 2020 version style. Okay, now before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smush that bell notification button so you can get more videos from me. I kind of sound like an air hostess. So the exits are here, here, and here. Also there, here, and there. Alright, let's get into it, y'all. So on the home page of PowerDirector is completely changed right now. There is the Get Inspired area where you can click on some of these mini videos, tutorial type of things, and get inspired, okay, so that you get an idea of what you're supposed to do, which I think you're supposed to originally have an idea for your video concept, but if you don't, okay, well, here you go, get inspired. At the bottom of that, it is Explore. Now in Explore, that is basically tutorials, alright? Remember I told you that you can click off like the check mark in the last video? So this is basically, if you want to watch the tutorials, you can do that. It was kind of bothersome because every single time you had to click on something, it basically popped up with a tutorial, which kind of, even though it's a second, 2 seconds, it's kind of wasted time, alright, when you're trying to get a video out. So we appreciate you, PowerDirector, for like tweaking and correcting that issue. Yay! Now at the bottom you have produced videos. These are the videos that you've already, you put your magic spin on it and it should be here. If not, then it's probably in the cloud, or it's in your Google Drive, or it's on your hard drive for your computer. Let's go into new projects. Let's go click on new project. You're gonna name your project Awesome Video. Okay, you press the tick mark on the bottom right hand corner and you press the YouTube ratio. Alright, now there are a few things that have changed on the interface. You have in the left hand corner, alright, the video roll and the music note. You have the layers and you have the back or forward button. Alright, these were not here like this in the beginning. It just makes the whole interface look so much cleaner. On the left side here, you only have the produce button, the settings, and the play. Now when you click on, let's start with the left hand side. When you click on the photo roll and the music note, this is where all your videos will be, all your pictures will be, all your music will be. Alright, when you go just a little bit down, this is where you would put all your transitions. Alright, and your back button is when you basically want to go back in case you made a mistake. I'm gonna put that back. Okay, so when you click on the video itself, all these awesome tools pop up. Okay, so you have split, just in case you want to split the video. All right, we're gonna undo that, click again. You have the volume, you have filters. If you want to adjust the color, saturation, hue, or temp, you can always go there in adjustments. Speed, just in case you want to speed it up, slow it down. The best part about the speed part though, alright, because when you used to speed it up or slow it down, alright, the mute audio would automatically get activated. I'm super happy that they tweaked this part. It is awesome. So if you do not want the audio, then you can always click on mute audio, but most of us do it, so you know, like me, I could get the chipmunk voice. And I'm just gonna insert a part right here
so you can hear how the chipmunk voice part sounds. Okay, alright. Now,
the FX, which used to be on the left hand side, is no longer there. It's on the bottom, alright, with all the awesome tools. And skin smoother. Skin smoother. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, so you could click on that. I don't really like to use it because it makes my face look kind of blurry. So yeah, if you want to, like, you know, get rid of certain blemishes and whatever, you could totally do that. But yeah, I want people to see my real skin, you know what I mean? So yeah, I leave it like that. Okay, that's what makeup is for. She's not using no makeup right now. Okay, thank you. But I appreciate you, PowerDirector people, alright, because you're thinking about us ladies, okay? The fellas too, but mostly the ladies. Then you got pan and zoom. That's just in case you want to, like, you know, amplify a certain part of your video. You zoom in or you zoom out, alright? And then you have crop, rotate, flip, duplicate, stabilizer. Now you see that padlock on stabilizer. If you have a paid membership, that you would not see the padlock, you just get free access. So yeah, that's another plus for paid membership. Reverse is also there as well. Now let's go into something that I recently just found. I'm not entirely sure if they had it in the last one, but just in case you're doing like voiceovers, alright, this would be so awesome that you could do voiceovers for. Alright, you're gonna go into the video part, alright, and you're gonna go into stock video. Alright, now you see all these ones with the padlocks. Basically, when you have your paid membership, you get your access to them. Alright, now Pixabay is so awesome. Alright, they have these moving pictures, okay, and you could do sickening voiceovers to these. Every time I look at this one especially, it just reminds me of like a motivational video. So all you people out there who are just joining YouTube and you want to motivate people, like, this is totally the place for you. Doesn't that look like so majestic? Oh my gosh. Probably it's because I'm a Pisces, but I just love the look of water. It just calms me all the way down. Ugh. So nice. Alright, now let's get back to it. They have a lot. Okay. And for the people who are putting up coronavirus videos, you can always come here and get your video editing on. Okay, and that is about it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this updated video. I do hope that you have learnt the new additions to PowerDirector. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smush that bell notification button so you can get more videos from me. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye!